Let's make instant crispy Hyderabadi spot idlis today. Needs no fermentation, no idli stand and is very easy to make. Hello guys, welcome back to Dash of Delight. I am Samya. Take 3 tablespoons of semolina or Sooji or Rawa, whatever you call it. Then add 1 tablespoon of yogurt or curd to it along with 1 cup of water. Mix and make a thick batter out of it. Then cover it and let it rest for 15 minutes. Now take 1 tablespoon of oil on a tawa or a pan and once it is hot, add half teaspoon mustard seeds or raai. Let it crackle, then add few curry leaves followed by 1 big onion finely chopped. Saute the onions until they change the color, then add 3 to 4 green chilies. You can always adjust the chilies as per your preference. Now add 1 big tomato finely chopped. Also add half teaspoon of salt so that the tomatoes quickly become soft and mushy. Saute everything for 2-3 minutes on medium flame. Okay, now here I'm adding idli podi. Idli podi is also known as mulga podi or gunpowder and is made from chana dal, urad dal, white sesame seeds, red chili, etc. If you don't have idli podi, you can add Sambhar masala. I'm also adding a pinch of Kashmiri mirch powder to give that vibrant color. Mix and cook everything for few minutes. Now let's check our batter. See, our batter looks perfect. So here I'm adding a pinch of salt and a half teaspoon of Eno fruit salt. Then add 1 teaspoon of water to activate the Eno fruit salt. Then immediately mix the batter in one direction only the way I am doing. So see, the batter has started looking light and fluffy. Alright, here our masala also looks done. Now comes the fun part. Divide the masala into 4 equal portions. See, like this. Then pour the batter over all 4 bundles. Then sprinkle some Kashmiri chili powder over all the idlis. Just be careful in this step. Now lower down the flame and cover the lid for 3 to 4 minutes. Then open the lid after 3-4 minutes and flip them over and cook on the other side as well. Now see guys, be very careful about the timing in this recipe. I got an important phone call and hence I flipped them over after about 6 minutes, and as you can see my masala has started to become dark brownish. So I genuinely want you guys to get a clear picture that what will happen if you will not flip them in around 3 to 4 minutes. Alright, so this weekend make these instant crispy spot idlis on tawa and enjoy. See you next time. Take care. Bye bye.